Hello friends, welcome to Shankar and his channel. Today is day 8 of SQL interview preparation. Friends, if you don't watch the previous videos, please click on the channel name and watch the previous videos.
Hello friends, today we can discuss about these three problems. First one is moving average of sales over the last 3 days. Then next we can discuss first and last order date for each customer. Then next we can discuss about the product sales distribution. Now see the one by one. Friends, first we can create this table order. This table has order ID, order date and total amount are present. Then we can create this. Then next we can insert the values. After the insertion, then we can find the moving average of salary sales over the last 3 days and write the code first. Friends, if you see this is the code for selecting the moving average of sales over the last 3 days. First we can select the order date, then next we can select the average total amount, then we can use the function here over. In the over function we can use the order by order date, then next we can use the rows between 2 to preceding and current row. We can name it as moving average for 3 days. We can all select from the orders table, then we can select this and run. We can get the moving average of 3 days. You can see here. Then next we can discuss about the first and last order date for each customer. Now we can first insert the friends. If you see this is the code for creating a table customer orders. In here we have the order ID, customer ID and order date. We can select this and run. Created successfully customer orders table. Then next we can insert the values into this table. Then next we can write the code for finding the first and last order date for each customer. Now friends, if you see this is the code for finding the first and last order from the customer orders table. In here we can use the customer ID, minimum order of a customer orders table. Then next we can max order date from customer orders, then group by using the customer ID. We can select this and run. We can get the first order and last order of every customer ID. You can see here. Now we can go to the last problem, product sales distribution, percentage of total revenue. We can first insert the table and values. Friends, first we can create the table. In this table, sales has the sale ID, product ID and quantity and price. Then next we can insert the values into this table. We can select this and run. We can insert the value successfully. Then we can write the code for this. Friends, if you see this is the code for finding the total revenue and total revenue percentage. In here we can use the cd function with. In here we can use the with total revenue as. In here we can first get the total amount from using the sum of quantity into price. We can get them from sales. Then next we can use the select s.product ID comma sum of quantity into price as revenue. Then next we can use the sum of quantity into price into 100 by total as revenue percentage. From sales we can cross join the table revenue into the this sales. We can use the grouping using the product ID and t.total from total revenue. We can select this and run. We can get the product ID and revenue percentage from each product ID.
Friends, if you gain the knowledge from my videos, please like, share, subscribe to Shankar and his channel.